Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print payment report by salesman. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here module Dev payment report by salesman. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to invoicing app, go to reporting menu and see here this menu payment report. Now click on select here start date and end date. Company is my company and select here salesman, third page for print. I want to print of demo and admins. Here available two option print PDF and export. I want to print first PDF and see here your printed report in PDF format. Salesperson admin and demo. Also display here invoice number, date, customer, total amount, due amount and bank. Now I want to print export and see here Excel report. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for